Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. My name is Noman and you're watching Stay with Nomi. So in this video, I will give you a demo of Hyipmax investment system script. If you buy from us, you will get $30. So don't worry about the price of script. Come to inbox, we will negotiate on the price. And the script 100% working with guaranteed script. If you buy from us, we will give you a money back guarantee. There is no issue in the script, completely 100% with license. So start the Hyipmax demo. So here you can see in the Hyipmax script you can get a home page, investment plan, contact and blog, and you can also log in and also change a language of the website. So here you can see the hero section of your Hyipmax script. You can also change the text heading and text here, and you can also calculate your earning, enter amount, select a plan and calculate your earning. And here you can see what our client say. Here you can see you can also change this section, and here you can see about us section, how it's work. You can see create account, choose plan, get profit, and here you can see investment plan, VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3 and 4 and 5. You can also add 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up to you. You can also change the percentage of level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and also you can change a USD balance of a plan. And after that, why choose us? Here you can see export manager, instant withdrawal, registration company, secure investment. You can also add more column of this section. And here you can see our newsletter. Here you can see you can add your email and subscribe us. And after that you can see a contact us. You can also contact us with the website owner. And here you can see location, email and call. And here you can see the map of your location, and here you can see the footer of your Hyipmax website. You can also change and add it here. And first of all I log in, and here you can log in your account. If you don't have, you can just click on register, add a first name, username, phone number. I just use a demo phone number. Email, you can also use a demo email. Click on I agree the policies, register, and here you can see successfully register. You can see investment. You can also invest plans. You can see the plans. Click on investment plan. Here you can see investment plan. You can just click on invest, and here you can see a lot of payment method. You can invest, you can select perfect money and click on pay now, and you can use just enter amount and invest now. So here in the dashboard you can see investment, investment plan, investment log, deposit log, withdraw. You can also withdraw your amount. You can just select a method, add a method, and transfer money. You can also transfer a money. Here you can see transfer account email and amount here, investment log and transaction log, referral log and 2FA. And you can see the support. Click on support, and you can also create a ticket of your support here. And I will show you a admin panel. After domain you can just click on admin, enter. So here you can see the admin dashboard. You can manage the roles and you can manage the admin. You can also create admin. You can also add an admin here. Manage plan. You can also manage your plans, schedules, manage user, and you can also see the tickets, pending tickets and all ticket, manual payment, pending payment, accept payment and reject payment. manage withdraw method, pending method, manage deposit, and you can also gateway setting, create a gateway. You can see the gateway payment method: PayPal, Stripe, Coinbase, Razor Pay. You can also add a gateway, create gateway. Here you can add a gateway image here, add a QR code here, and name of the gateway payment method, gateway currency, USDT, charge, allowed as a payment method, yes or no, and add a payment wallet address here. And email manager, you can also manage your emails, setting, general setting, preloader, Google Analytics cookies. You can also add a language here. You can see 3 language added, and you can also add a new language. Create a language here. Manage theme. Here you can see you can also activate green theme, white theme, and purple theme. So just click on activate and your theme is activated. User investment log, front end, click on front end pages, banner section. Click on banner section. You can see here, you can see the banner section. You can also change the text of your banner section and also change a background image of the banner. You can just click on add a text here. I just give you a demo. I just use a one and click on update and refresh this page. Here you can see the one is added. You can also add a text here, buttons, also change the text and headings here. So you can change the appliance section, FAQ section, transaction section, and you can change a new newsletter subscription. So I hope you like this video. If you buy from us, you will get in $30. Don't worry about the price of a script. Come to inbox, we will negotiate on the price. And this script 100% working with guaranteed script. If you buy from us, we will give you a money back guarantee. There is no issue in the script, complete 100% with license. So we will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.